Boldt HVAC is a trusted HVAC contractor serving St. Paul, Minnesota 55123, offering a range of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services for residential and commercial clients. Known for our expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction, Boldt HVAC specializes in HVAC installation, maintenance, and repair services. Our experienced technicians are trained to work with the latest HVAC technologies, ensuring that clients receive modern, efficient systems that deliver reliable performance. Boldt HVAC's dedication to quality service has earned us a reputation as a go-to HVAC contractor in the St. Paul area. Call our HVAC contractor team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. When should I call an HVAC contractor? Call an HVAC contractor when your system shows signs of failure, such as unusual noises, poor airflow, temperature inconsistencies, or increased energy bills. Regular maintenance is also essential for system longevity. How long does an HVAC system last? Most HVAC systems have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. Proper maintenance can extend this lifespan, while neglect may shorten it. What is your service area for St. Paul, Minnesota? Our HVAC contractor has helped clients in Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, Edina, Minnesota. Where is your St. Paul, Minnesota HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.